Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to Ace Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of progression, and this question has appeared in the CAT 2020 exam slot 2. Now the question is as follows: if x and y are positive real numbers satisfying x plus y equal to 102, then the minimum possible value of 2601 into 1 plus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by y is. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are provided x and y are two positive real numbers and the sum x plus y is equal to 102. Now we have to find that what is the minimum possible value of 2601 into 1 plus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by y. Now since we have to find the minimum possible value of this product, let us first simplify it. Now we will get 2601 into 1 plus x into 1 plus y in the numerator, and we'll get x into y in the denominator. Now if you'll notice carefully, you'll see that if xy is maximum, then the product is minimum. So we have to find the maximum value of xy, for which the product of this value will be minimum. So let's find the maximum value of xy. So according to our last step, we have to find the maximum value of xy. Now since in our question it is given that x and y are positive real numbers, we can apply the property of am is greater than or equal to gm on the numbers x and y to find out the maximum value of xy. So if we'll take the arithmetic mean of x and y, we'll get x plus y by 2, and if we'll take the geometric mean of xy, we'll get under root of xy, and according to the am-gm inequality, am is always greater than or equal to gm. So we have got x plus y by 2 is always greater than or equal to under root of xy. Now if we'll take a close look at the question, we have got the value of x plus y, that is equal to 102, and 102 by 2 is simply equal to 51. So the maximum possible value of under root of xy is 51. So I can say that the maximum possible value of xy is less than or equal to 2601. So we have got the maximum value of xy as 2601. So this is only possible when x is equal to y is equal to 51, because 51 is a prime number and the square of 51 is equal to 2601. So we have got the maximum possible value of xy as 2601 and the values of x and y as 51. So we just have to put this value in our product and we'll get our answer. Now our product was 2601 into 1 plus 1 by x, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 51, and into 1 plus 1 by y, that is again equal to 1 plus 1 by 51. So we have got our product as 2601 into 1 plus 1 by 51 into 1 plus 1 by 51, that is equal to 2601 into 52 square whole divided by 51 square. Now this 51 square and this 2601 will get cancelled out, and the value of 52 square is nothing but 2704. So we have got the minimum possible value of 2601 into 1 plus 1 by x into 1 plus 1 by y as 2704. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of Ace Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Ace Academy.